Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In the last video, we discussed about the two methods of separating the components from the mixture. In continuation to that, the third method is how can we separate mixture of two immiscible liquids. Here, we will take the separating funnel and the two immiscible liquids. One is kerosene and another is water. So we will separate kerosene and water by the separating funnel. This is the diagram of the separating funnel. Here there is a stopcock and here is the lid of this separating funnel. We will pour the mixture of kerosene, oil and water in the separating funnel. Keep separating funnel undisturbed for some time. What you will observe that there will be two distinct layers of kerosene oil and water depending upon the densities of the liquids. So you will open this stopcock and start collecting water in one beaker, and when this full water we have taken in the beaker, immediately close the stopcock. Take another beaker and now again open the stopcock and collect kerosene oil. So by using this separating funnel, this is available in the labs, chemistry labs, you can separate two immiscible liquids. So this is again a very important method of separation. What is the principle behind this? The principle is that immiscible liquids separate out in layers. They separate out in layers depending on their densities. Okay? When we take bath, sometimes the oil that is, we put oil on our skin and few drops, they are there in the bucket. They will float. They will form a different layer. So depending on the density of the liquids, we can separate two immiscible liquids by this method. Now another method, that is, how can we separate a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride? While teaching first chapter, I told you one process where this ammonium chloride, which is in the solid form, directly changes into the gaseous state on heating. That process is known as sublimation. So, ammonium chloride changes directly from the solid to the gaseous state on heating. Here we will take salt and ammonium chloride in the china dish. Suppose we have taken mixture of ammonium chloride and salt in the china dish. Now invert the funnel over it and close the stem of the funnel with the help of the cotton. Okay, close it. Suppose we have closed it. Okay. Now heat it. This is a wire gauze, suppose. This is wire gauze and this is tripod stand. We are heating from below this china dish. What you will observe, here there is a burner or a spirit lamp, whatever that is available in the lab, you can use it. Okay. So what you will observe, that ammonium chloride, which is in the solid form, it will evaporate and will condense on. This will condense on the inner wall of the funnel. Okay? And salt that will be left behind. So the two components, salt and ammonium chloride, they are separated by this method. You can, when it is cooled, then you can scratch this ammonium chloride on a watch glass and salt is there. So this is the method. This method is known as sublimation, and by this we can separate a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride. There are other substances also which can sublime, means they can be changed from solid directly into the gaseous state. So they are iodine, camphor, naphthalene, anthracene. So these are the substances which can be directly changed into the gaseous state by the process of sublimation. So that's all about these two processes. In the next video, I will meet you with another ways by which the components of the mixture, they can be separated. Till then, thank you very much.